Lourdes Chica Donnie natuto kay Belle kung paano i-handle ang away. Sa paghiwalay nila ni Belle Mariano bilang mag-love team, baon-baon ni Donnie Penina ang mga natutunan niya sa aktres at sa kanilang tambalan sa pagharap sa bagong yugto ng kanyang showbiz career. One of the biggest things, communication is so important. Anya sa TFC online show ng ABS-CBN, I think like 90% of fights of disagreements in the world can be avoided if there wasn't miscommunication. Dagdag pa niya, that's really something we work hard to achieve every day. We're trying hard to achieve that because so many things can be prevented. We made sure that we're in the same head space. Natutunan din daw niya na ang lahat ng tao ay may kanya-kanyang panig or side sa bawat bagay. Understanding that everyone has a side to things and you try to understand that everyone's coming from different areas. Everyone has problems. You can learn something from every single person. I think that's something that me and Belle really cherish, and yeah, I think moving forward, that's something that will really stick with me. Say niya, pati raw kung paano ang mag-handle ng kanilang mga away ay natutunan niya sa journey nila ni Belle. It's how you talk about things, the proper way of handling a fight, mga ganon, sabi ni Donnie. Kahit daw magkaiba na ang path nila ngayon ni Belle, mananatili raw ang kanyang pagmamahal para sa aktres. I think there will always be love there. Belle is one of those people that I consider, and we said this. She's really a soulmate. She's someone I've spent so much time with. We're so comfortable with each other, and no matter what happens to me and her, I always be rooting for her. There will always be care and love and respect because that's the foundation we built. Pahayag pa ng aktor.